Hey guys, what's up? It's Josh here today, and I just wanted to talk to you about something really cool called the loss generator. Now, this is pretty interesting, especially because it's something that could come in super handy if the main power ever goes out and we're left with no electricity. So the loss generator is a revolutionary solution that generates electricity by converting thermal energy into usable power, and this program teaches you exactly how to do it, step by step. What's really great about it is that it's designed to be simple and efficient, so you don't need to be an expert to get started. The loss generator comes as an ebook, and it empowers you to create your own energy source through easy-to-follow plans. The guide includes step-by-step instructions, a complete list of parts, safety tips, and clear diagrams. So it's perfect for DIY enthusiasts or even people who are totally new to alternative energy. Now, if you're curious about the loss generator and want to check it out for yourself, I left their official webpage link right here in the description box below. Go check it out, see what other people are saying, and learn more about how it works. What I really like about this is how engaging and practical the whole process is. You'll learn exactly how thermal energy works and how to transform it into electricity with your own hands. It's not just a learning experience, but it also gives you a sustainable energy solution perfect for emergencies, off-grid situations, or even as a way to supplement your household power needs. Let's be honest, nowadays there's so much going on with the weather, from tornadoes to earthquakes, and sometimes places are left without power for days or even weeks. So the loss generator can be a real lifesaver in situations like that. This guide combines historical inspiration with modern innovation, making it such a unique and satisfying project. For anyone interested in self-sufficiency with the loss generator, you'll get to explore renewable energy on your own terms and create a reliable backup power source that gives you independence and sustainability. And here's the best part: if you decide to give the loss generator a shot, but it's not quite what you were expecting, don't worry, they offer a money-back guarantee. Just contact customer support, ask for a refund, and they'll sort it out for you. So if you're interested in energy freedom and hands-on learning, check out the loss generator. Now, I left the official link down below in the description box. Go see for yourself and maybe pick up this guide, because you never know when it could come in handy. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to click the link below, and I'll see you guys next time.